To address the problem of climate change, policymakers need to know precisely how much carbon dioxide and methane is emitted and absorbed, both regionally and globally. And we must find a way to distinguish between the effects of human activity and natural phenomena. Today, countries use a wide variety of methods to measure the flow of carbon. Some don't have the resources to take any measurements at all. As a result, it's difficult to compare data from country to country and to get a clear picture of the global carbon cycle. The key is better global collaboration. To improve our understanding of the carbon cycle, it is essential to coordinate observations and to standardize our methods of gathering and analyzing data. Dozens of governments and organizations have recognized this and have signed on to the Geo system. This system will provide transparent and reliable data on carbon circulation. It will help policymakers design measures to fight global warming. And at the same time, it will allow us for the first time to monitor compliance with international carbon agreements accurately and fairly.
What's going to be extremely important is for us to get regional data. Because there are some regions in the world where clearly we don't have enough research, we don't have enough information. Once we get that, then we can carry out an assessment of changes that have taken place.
Over the past 5 years, we have started to establish a global carbon observation and analysis system. The Geo Carbon Report shows how far we've come and what we still need to improve. Today, there are hundreds of field stations measuring carbon in the atmosphere, on land, and in the oceans. But we need to build many more stations, especially in underrepresented regions. Geo is working to integrate these ground observations with new space-based measurements. With our new greenhouse gas-observing satellites, we can scan the entire planet in just a few days. The loss of forests is the second most important cause of greenhouse gas emissions. But many countries lack the capacity to monitor deforestation adequately. Geo is promoting a new initiative called Forest Carbon Tracking, which combines satellite and ground observations to monitor changes in forest carbon. FCT will contribute to monitoring and verification in support of UNFCCC and REDD+. To complete the integrated global carbon observation and analysis system by 2015, we still have many barriers to overcome. All the countries of the world need to expand their own carbon observation networks, building on the standards established by Geo. And we need more satellites that provide global measurements of greenhouse gases and biomass. We need to have common standards and practices around the world and advanced modeling tools to track carbon circulation precisely. And we need a policy to ensure free access to the data.
The more information we have with respect to the carbon balance that we have in our atmosphere, the better that our delegates and the Secretariat can guide the political discussions that need to take the difficult decisions on agreements among countries.
Geo is looking for more international partners to join our team in order to complete the integrated global carbon observation and analysis system so that we can provide you with fair and reliable information on carbon circulation.